Jeremy,
Yes.
tell us about the Uncle Tony story.
Here's a guy named Tony. He used to be married.
Come over here, cuz. That hurt. Jeremy, tell us about the Uncle Tony story.
Here's a story about Uncle Tony. So Uncle Tony, one time, first time trying weed, he locked himself in a room for 2 days straight. So I remember my dad said he remembers going up to him, and he got mad and he went, "Shut the door!" And he got nervous. He said for 2 days straight he was seeing pink outfits. But here's a guy who's 25 years old who says he'll get a girl pregnant by July. He's a funny guy. I got an uncle named John Vanderhook. He's quite a guy.
Tell me about him.
He likes suing everyone. He's like, "Get the manager now. Sit down with it." Here's a guy who, if you drop the banana peel in front of him, he'll slip and sue you for it.
Guy. Oh, see.
But, no, I'm going to discuss it all.
Tell me about them.
I wish it gets mad, like, "Hey, my business."
Big,
She gets all mad.
big divvy mois.
Same.
Make divvy mois. Tell me about. Tell me about the U2.
Yeah, one time she got mad with, "You too, buddy. You too."